Hi everyone. Today I am going to solve one of the easy coding problem from the lead code. So the question is that we need to find the first unique character in a string. So we just need to find the first character in a string that is having the frequency of 1. And if we did not find any character that is not unique in that string, then we just need to return the -1. Otherwise, we need to return the index of that character. So we could go through the example. Like in first example 1, we could see that in the string lead code, L is the first character that is having frequency of 1. That it is the first unique character in this string. So we would just return its index. So the output would be 0. In the second example, the string is love lead code. In this string, we could easily see that L have come twice and O have also come twice, but the frequency of V is 1. So it would be the first unique character in this string. So our output would be 2, the index of the character V. Similar in the example 3, the given string is AA. So we can easily see that there is no any single character in this string which is having a frequency of 1. So there is no unique character in it. So our output would be -1 here. So let's start solving the problem. So to solve this problem, we need to create an frequency array where we can store the frequency of every character. For this, we can use hash set or hash map. I am going to solve it using an array that would be used to store the frequency of every character. So because it is already stated there in the problem that all the characters in this string would be of lowercase, so we can use the array of length 26 to store the frequency of every character. Then we would calculate the length of the string. After that, we need to iterate over every character. So char c is equal to s dot char at I. After that, the way we are going to use this array is that suppose we have a character A. So its frequency would be stored in the index 0, and for B, its index should be stored, its frequency should be stored in index 1. Similar way, we would store the frequency of every character till Z. So Z's frequency would be stored in the index 25. So for that, we would just simply do the character -a, and we would able to get into that particular index. After iterating over the string, we would be able to store the frequency of every character. After that, we can again reiterate over the string, and then again we would access the character at the index, and we would check in the array f, that whether there is any character that is having the frequency 1. So the moment we get the character which is having the frequency of 1, we would simply return the index of that character. That would be our it might be that in some cases there would not be any single character in that string that is having frequency of 1. So in that case we will simply return -1. So let's test the code. We could easily see that it has passed the sample test cases. Let's check for the hidden test cases. Yeah, so we are able to solve this question. Thank you.